Ganito, professional na teacher man eh. Ha? Law student pa yun. Pagkiitan eh. Kung pagkaman yung wala na itong presentation, papakauwaw. Tapos,
Sir, tama na, sir.
Yun, ano na to sa I-Will? I-Will, kung kantong ingon pa niya na simple future test, pagkakaman ng tao. Basahon na ito na lang. Samantang ko.
Ulo na ko, sir.
Book, di ba? Yan. Para sigurado ba? Sunod ko kayo nga.
Nakita kayo.
Ano ko ito, sir? Ulit lang, ha? Dara. Sir, gingon dali. Shall. Okay, in regard to shall with the first person, I shall, we shall, the action expressed by the principal verb strictly arises through some influence beyond the speaker's will. As I shall suffer, we shall see, etc. So that as shall has originally the idea of obligation. Katong will din siya. Okay, you shall in the first person and will in the second or third person to express future time.
3 minutes.
I shall leave soon. You will leave soon. For expressing command or determination, use will in the first person and shall in the second and third. I will speak no matter who tries to stop me. So, buti pasabot, makita na to. Pag mugamit gani og modal verb, will, o niya, tawag ka ng nagamit og pasabot na I, before ang modal verb, nagpasabot na strong determination at the time na ito ang process of foundation na